So this is day 2. I am already heading for the water sports activities towards Anjuna Beach. I don't know how it might go, but yeah, let's be positive. Guys, this is Anjuna Beach. Wow. Now look at the water. इस पे झाग कितनी अच्छी आ रही है. I seriously want to bath here. So this is me at Anjuna Beach. This is how the water looks. So cool. I'll just put my legs into the water. और इस पानी ने मेरे सैंडल्स खींच लिए थे पूरे. Oh my god. I love the I love the water, but I think the water loves me more क्योंकि ये इस तरीके से आ रही है ये waves. I still don't have the confidence. I mean, I know there is nothing wrong with my body physique and everything, but still I can't wear this without a cape. You know those Indian values? I mean, क्यों? Look at how cute I am. Just look at me. And yet, I don't have the confidence to open this cape. Hello, so till now I was chilling at the Anjuna Beach. I had such a good, relaxing feeling, and having the beach view like in front of me. It's just so good. I just loved it. I haven't bathed yet, so I'm just gonna go to my hostel. I'll bath, and then I will leave for Para Road. And there are multiple things I'm gonna do today. Like I'm thinking about that. Aaj shaam ko I'll just go to some parties because I see the room in which I'm staying. We are a total of 4 girls staying in that dormitory, and the 3 of them, they don't return to the room at least till morning 4:30 or 5 p.m. They return around that. Can you believe it? And चलो ठीक है, कल तो मैं सुबह ट्रैवल कर रही थी तो बहुत थक गई थी, इसलिए मैं रात को मतलब 11:30-12 तक सो गई थी. But आज no way, I am not in Goa for that. Yes, of course I'm not going to drink and stuff because that is something I consider very extreme. But I am definitely going to enjoy myself and go enjoy some parties and just dance my heart out and enjoy the entire vibe of being here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hoping, fingers crossed, that today I don't lose my way. कल भाई मैं दीवार आइलैंड घूमने के लिए गई थी यहाँ उधर, तो मुझे मिला ही नहीं. मतलब गूगल ने मेरे को कंफ्यूज कर दिया, तो तब से आई एम नॉट इवन ट्रस्टिंग गूगल. लेकिन अब आई रियली वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस इट एंड आई होप यू कैन हियर द काइंड ऑफ waves in front of me. I mean, they sound so good. I loved the sightseeing, water and everything here. I had such a chilling time today. मतलब बहुत मज़ेदार रहा. It all seems worth it, seriously. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में इतनी अजीब चीज़ें हुई ना कि मतलब मेरे को दीवार आइलैंड में अच्छा सनसेट व्यू नहीं दिखा, तो मुझे एक पॉइंट के लिए आई वाज जस्ट डिस्करेज्ड कि भाई क्या अकेले क्यों ही आ रही हूँ मैं. बट वॉचिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड टेकिंग सच अमेजिंग फोटोज, आई जस्ट थॉट कि भाई इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट डूइंग सोलो ट्रिप्स अगैन, प्रोवाइडेड आई get to do the travel myself, like scooties and all, क्योंकि उसके बिना तो इंडिया में it's not safe at all. Safety is my first priority, but I'm loving this seriously. मतलब आने से पहले I was just feeling guilty कि भाई मतलब साल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, I should be working very hard. But now I'm convinced कि भाई मेरा it's my birthday month, tomorrow is my birthday. I'm really going to make it special for me. If I am not going to do that, who else will? And opened up so much of my thoughts. Like I was able to think so much deeply, such better. I was loving just having my time and figuring things out all by yourself. It's seriously a lovely activity. Like I'm loving this. Seriously, the kind of clothes I'm getting to wear, the kind of joy I'm getting. So it's all worth it. Can you see this bracelet? I got this, like, it is so cool. Can you see, like, it has pink kind of stones. मतलब ये धूप में थोड़े pinkish हो जाते हैं, बहुत cute लग रहे थे मतलब. और इसी का ही एक necklace भी है which was not suiting with this, और earrings भी है, but I thought this is so cool. I'll show you my scooty. Of course there is no one to shoot me, but this orange one, this is the scooty in which I go, and I love it. I seriously love it. So yeah, I'll see you next. Hello. So I am ready to go to Para Road in Goa, and you know what, I'll just show you. This is the work den. Okay, firstly let me show you or give you a fit check. Please don't fall. So this is how it looks, and I hope I look good, but I feel good at least. And yeah, the name of this hostel is Jungle by Mango Tree, and this is the work den. Basically where we as tigers or lions can actually sit and work, and it is such a cool and beautiful co-working space. I mean, I love the cozy vibe. Can you look at these are so cool. I was just sitting here, and outside the view and all is also good. If we want, we can also close the door, and it looks so cool. And here are some books. I'll definitely try reading, although I'm short on time. And yahan se this is how the view looks. I mean, it's so cool. I just love the vibe of this place. I don't even want to leave this place and keep roaming around here and there, but we are left with no options. Yeah, this is how the outside looks like. It is such a cool place. मतलब कितनी अच्छी ठंडी हवा आ रही हो यहाँ से. मतलब पास में there are many shops at a row, so we can just go shop and we can enjoy in the evenings and all. I don't know which kind of books I should read out of these. I'll at least make a video ताकि इनमें से कुछ भी अच्छे वाले हों तो बाद में I could buy and then read them maybe. And look at how beautiful the lighting is. Wow, so cool. So this is how I look, and I'm about to leave for Para Road. I'm really very late. Cool. Guys, you won't believe, I'm at the spot जहाँ पर Dear Zindagi का एक scene shoot हुआ था, the famous Para Road in Goa, and I'll just show you. भाई इन्होंने कार्ड लगा दिया. So this is how Para Road looks like. I was actually very confused कि भाई pictures कैसे ले पाएंगे क्योंकि I'm traveling solo, but there were these two couples, so मतलब a total of 4 people, and they are taking photos. They asked me to take a photo first, and eventually I could ask them out, and this is how it happens. But look, I am shooting at the Para Road. Oh my god. Just look at this. This looks so good. So this is Museum Cafe. भाई यहाँ कैफ़े तो काफ़ी अच्छा दिख रहा है. मतलब I would definitely want to have something. Bridge of Dreams. भाई यहाँ पे सब कुछ ही कितना आर्टसी सा है. मतलब वाह, कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है ये स्कूल. मतलब ये माहौल देख के तो मुझे भी पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है. वो इतने सारे पेड़. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो हियर इज द ब्रिज ऑफ ड्रीम्स. Okay, so in front of me is the story behind the Bridge of Dreams, Sapno Ka Pul, which we are about to cross. And this is what it says. It says that, when in 2005, when I visited Nepal, and there were certain things which led him to, building this particular bridge that he connected for the school children. And this is Shiksha Niketan School. And this is the entry, which is why everything looks so Pinteresty, such cool colors. Do you look at that? So everything is so cool, and this bridge, as far as I know, helps the children to go from this place to another. भाई ये हिल रहा है यार, भी डरावना है. This is how we walk on this bridge. Okay, so this is the pull of like the bridge of dreams. भाई इसके लिए 50 रुपये still doesn't seem worth it. And मैं किसको photos click करने को पूछूं? That's the major problem. But I really need a picture in this because my outfit is outfitting and I need good pictures. So yeah. Cream or brown ka combo looks good on me. Okay, without deviating from the topic, this is the Bridge of Dreams. This it. So I asked थोड़े पीछे वाले guys to take a few pictures of me. They did, but they didn't do a good job. So this सड़ा हुआ शक्ल. But you know what? This isn't worth that 50 rupees का ticket. मतलब जो ये पैरा रोड पे था वहाँ पर भी I paid 50 rupees for the parking and then I took those pictures, mama, and it was still okay based on the kind of pictures we had, or maybe because that place is already overhyped, I don't know, but yeah, this is it. Look at that sunshine. I've been successfully capturing the museum cafe. It looks like this. So finally I am in the museum of Goa, and it was the same building, बस नीचे में cafe था. So this is the museum Goa. I just came out of here. शायद ऊपर भी है. और this is how it looks. It's more about the chronology of world architecture. Some other pictures. What I found interesting was, wait, this is the Machila. And in the previous times, so like it's mentioned in the older days, this was the main means of transport for the ones who could afford it. 4 people would carry you to different places and they would sing songs. And these are some of the pictures. I don't know, there is no context to mention. Visconde de Bernam. So this is the second floor. And this is how it looks. Materials and constructions. I can't understand ये यहाँ पर क्यों है? Home altar. Devghar. What caught my attention here is this teak and cane love seat. So good. Not for single people, of course. So these are all old, architecture. और इन्होंने मतलब जो टिकट दी थी वो 150 का था, आउट ऑफ विच 100 रुपीज़ तो यहाँ का टिकट है, बट 50 रुपीज़ का आई गेस वी कैन टेक अ कूपन. सो दैट कूपन इज़ फॉर 50 रुपीज़, बट आई सी द मेन्यू स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम लाइक 150 एंड मोर. So of course, good marketing given. Hey, this is how the exteriors look. Look at that giant uncle sari, and look at everything. The view is so good. This is House of. So this is window permit. It shows कि इस तरीके से रानियाँ जो हैं यहाँ पर बैठा करती थी. एंड दिस प्लेस इज सो कूल. कितनी अच्छी हवा आएगी. लाइक ओह वाओ, सो कूल. दोनों तरफ खिड़कियाँ ताकि ठंडी ठंडी हवा आती है. और उस पर भी ये रोजेस के पेड़, आई गेस. They look so cute. This place is so relaxing. मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा, आरामदायक, सुखद महसूस हो रहा है। You know what? When I was in Tara Road, मम्मी का कॉल आया. Of course, I video called her to show where I'm roaming around, and I wanted to tell her that Dear ज़िंदगी में मतलब शूटिंग यहाँ हुई है and all. और उसके बाद my mother was asking कि अच्छा तो तू कितने बजे गई है रात होने से पहले निकल आना. How do I tell her कि कल क्या क्या हुआ मेरे साथ, मैं किस तरीके से गूगल मैप्स ने मेरे को रीडायरेक्ट कर दिया. मुझे घर लौटने में 9:30 बज गए. 6:30 से 9:30 तक 3 घंटे तक मैंने नॉन स्टॉप ड्राइविंग करी. एंड द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट हैपन. बट ठीक है. एंड शी वाज आस्किंग कि तू कितने बजे होती है. आई वाज लाइक 11 बजे. सो लाइक बाकी सारे आई वाज लाइक मेरे डॉम में जो 4 लोग हैं उनमें से 3 तो सुबह 4 साढ़े 4 के बाद ही आते हैं. मैं 11 बजे सो गई थी क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट डे था. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम हियर फॉर 2 more days and I need to enjoy. Now enjoying doesn't mean कि I'll have to drink and stuff, but of course I can enjoy. So yeah, this place is so cool. I don't want to go. भाई मेरे हाथों की जो हालत हुई है ना ड्राइविंग कर के, मतलब ये जॉइंट्स पे पेन करने लगा है. मैं इतना ड्राइव कर रही हूँ. although I'm enjoying it, मतलब you know, no stress, but yeah. So this is floor number 3 and this is how it looks. I like this. I like the open view. Do you look at that? मतलब उधर भी म्यूजियम जैसा सा कुछ है, but it is like you can't enter there. And जितना airy है, जितना open है ना, I'm loving it. भाई जो लोकेशन आई वाज शोइंग कि ये इस पे एंट्री अलाउड नहीं है, ये किसी का घर है. इट्स एट सच अ कूल प्लेस, सच अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी. मतलब वाओ यार कितना मस्त है. भाई मैंने वैसे तो सारे टिकट्स संभाल के रखती हूँ, बट यहाँ का जो था 150 का वो टिकट मैंने आपको दिखाया एंड आई थिंक आई लॉस्ट इट समवेयर. तो मुझे फुल पे करना पड़ा इन द रेस्टोरेंट टू हैव वड़ा पाव. सो आई जस्ट रिटर्नड. भाई मेरी बॉडी पूरी स्टिफ हो गई है. मुझे इतने सारे बेर के पेड़ दिख रहे हैं, बस बेर खाने को नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड यू नो वेयर आई एम, टेरेस पे मस्त आई एम वॉकिंग एंड दिस हॉस्टल इज सो कूल. जस्ट लुक एट दैट. दिस इज द टेरेस आई एम वॉकिंग ऑन and this is how it looks नीचे और अंदर भी. It's seriously very cool. Bhai, I got swayed. Like I talked to so many people. I'm making so many new, I would say, friends. Or I won't say friends, but at least I'm meeting a lot of new people. I'm understanding a lot of perspectives. ज़्यादातर तो ऐसे ही लोग हैं जो कि सिर्फ drink and smoke कर रहे हैं, but still they have something outside of that is worth learning, like their point of views, their way of talking, and I really liked that. And you know, I took this, you might be asking what is this, ये वो ग्लास या कप को कवर करने के लिए. तो सुबह सुबह आई हैव सम गर्म पानी.
उसको ऐसे पकड़ो.
डायरेक्ट उस कैमरा में मारना. Take this back. Yes, hold it. Why? Almost.
हेलो. तो हम जा रहे हैं मैंगो ट्री देखने. एंड आई विल शो यू द क्राउड एंड द वाइब. How it looks. So Deepak is taking us to the upside wala view. This is how it looks. Oh wow, ये काफी cool एरिया है मतलब यहाँ पर बैठ सकते हैं. Good. और यहाँ से you can have the road view. जहाँ पर काफ़ी ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही होती है। और वहाँ पे है जंगल हॉस्टल एंड दिस इज मैंगो ट्री। आई लाइक द वार्म lightings. This is so cool. I mean, I would love to sit here and enjoy some time. And this is an AC wala proper setup. So yeah, I love that.
कोई ये बता